So we start off today's video with this beautiful pixie hair transformation. Absolutely love the cut and color combination with that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations, so if you have been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a beautiful bob haircut transformation. This bob features a really pretty chocolate hair color shade. The stylist did add in some waves for some texture to create that infamous tousled look. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair has so much volume and body, and I think that color is right on trend with what we're going to be seeing this season. Next up, we have another hot hair trend, and that is, of course, the mullet. If you have been thinking of trying out this rocker chic style, there's so many different ways that you can wear this trend. Here's another variation in the form of a brunette with bangs. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a chic, fun look. And then we move into a long to short transformation. Stylist cut quite a bit of hair into a lob. And then we move into a fresh bob haircut. This bob style is definitely more on the traditional side. Very precise cutting from the stylist. Adding in a few bangs to frame the face out. Absolutely gorgeous. Loving the shape and texture with that one. And then we see this beautiful pixie cut. Definitely more of that classic Peter Pan style pixie, loving the color. And it does also feature a shaven side and back area. Next up, it looks like another bob haircut. So the stylist ended up doing a beautiful jaw length style bob, loving the color mixed in with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so simple and chic. She looks amazing. So next up we have a hair color transformation. Looks like she has some grown out blonde hair. Wow, absolutely stunning. A bit of a ash blonde mix here. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you felt inspired by some of today's hairstyles. If you did, don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and of course check out this video if you want to see even more hot hair trends.